Yes, what's up, legends? What's up, money makers? Welcome back to the Anonymous YouTube channel. So, guys, here we go again, guys. Let's try analyzing some assets. We see what today has for us. So, guys, currently, don't forget, guys, we have an ongoing program of fund traders, guys. As long as, guys, you are consistent, you can make profits out of profits, guys. Don't hesitate to DM us, guys. Let's do business, guys. So, guys, as we promised you, the anonymous traders, we are here to make sure that each and everyone, guys, earns that financial freedom. So, guys, if you can't trade, guys, we have ongoing mentorship, guys. You can check into our videos. We have the part one, so far we have released it. And those that are already profitable, guys, and you lack capital, guys, don't hesitate, guys, to DM us, the anonymous traders. And guys, and those that need some cash, guys, we always do a massive giveaway in our Telegram group, so guys, you can check it out. So guys, we do this each and every day, guys. We provide the setups, we provide the setups and signals. So guys, that's why I always recommend you guys to join our Telegram group so that, guys, we can keep you updated on the setups that we have uploaded on the YouTube channel. So guys, if you are not in our Telegram channel, remember, guys, price can do anything at any time, guys. If we provide a selling opportunity here, let's say we have provided a selling opportunity, guys, remember, price does what it wants. So if we get our selling mode right here, but if it is not, let's say it's not seducing, or what should I say, guys, let's say we have received a setup, but unfortunately the market at least gets somewhere that is trying to change from, guys, we recommend you join our Telegram group so that we can keep you in such stuffs. In case you will receive our, we have models, the ICT students, we have models. You can get a selling model. Let's say I can get a selling model from here, but later on I get a buying model from somewhere in case price has formed the one. So that's why we always recommend you at least to join our Telegram group. You can find it in our channel about. You can click on the channel about, you shall find it. And those that need trusted brokers, because guys, it's also a challenging task finding a good broker. So guys, we recommend, if you need a broker, those that need to join our Telegram group, just check into our bio in our about. So why do we, guys, recommend you to join our Telegram group? So guys, in the case we give a setup here and we say it's going to sell, so if price at least tries to misbehave, so that we can update it, we can try updating you that in this range right here we are looking for buying opportunities like we did yesterday. Because guys, today at least, yes, I tried to show you the Euro USD, because guys, the Euro USD managed to shift in structure. So I tried at least updating you, those that in my Telegram group. So today, guys, we did a massive giveaway. Today we did a massive giveaway, guys. And I know, I'm pretty sure that right now that person who has taken that giveaway right now is not even into his motherland, because guys, the amount has been too much. You get my point? So one day it can be you, as long as you do what we tell you to do. Well, here are the simple steps that you have to do, guys. We do this video, we just ask simple questions. If you get them right, guys, you win yourself something. And another way how you can make money out of the anonymous traders, we do giveaways. That's the way number one. And we fund traders. We fund traders. As long as you consistent, you can make money out of the profit. Let's say we have given you $200 and you flip them. After flipping them, then you make 200 out of that 200. You get my point? So we can fund you. And another way, guys, let's see, we have another way how people make money out of us. So if I remember those ways how people make money out of us, I'll be reminding you. So guys, let's just stick into our video. Let's see what today has for us. So guys, I told you, whenever you're going to trade, always first check the index. Get my point? Always first check the index. So currently, yesterday I was providing a setup on the DXY, and I told you guys that DXY has to sell. Get my point? So yesterday I was looking for selling opportunities. Why? I based on the price action. What I wanted, guys, I wanted at least this asset to come. It was on this current level. I wanted this asset to come. At least we break this range right here. And I remember telling you that let's wait for this price to break this range, then we wait for a retest. But later on, since today we had some what? Since today we had bank holidays, so price never managed to break our what? Our structure. So today the DXY wasn't strong since we had bank holidays. But later on, we see this price has created a new model. You get my point? Has created a new model. But currently, what we are seeing, it's a buying model. You get my point? So here it was price action showing that this level, because guys, we are moving down, and I was suspecting this price to break this range so that we can sweep this to the sell side liquidity. So it unfortunately it never happened. So currently here we can see price has managed to create a new model, and this time around this is a buying model. And those that have ever sorry Guys, so currently we can see this price has managed to create a buying model. So currently what I want to see right now, I could like to see this price since it has managed to do somewhat, it has given something. And I remember guys, I remember telling you guys, for us the anonymous traders, we only trade pullbacks. And I told you guys, the more they react from your range, just know that that setup is going to be perfect. So guys, if you get a range and maybe price just moves on small, then it will test. Guys, just know anytime they are going to break your range. But the more they react on your range, the more they go. Remember, the more they go up, the more your TP will be high. You get my point? Because guys, if price comes back, the next time it has to break this previous swing high, so it's giving more opportunities. You get my point? But if your range is a bit small right here, let's say the price just moves a little bit away from your entry, then it will test. Just know, guys, anytime they are going to break your range, so don't trust that range. But for me, why am I trusting this range? Because currently, what I'm seeing, this price at least has given a big move. You get my point? Remember, this is the 5 minute time frame, so they have given something big move away from my time, from my entry. So I'm very comfortable. I'm very confident that this will be a nice setup. So Tuesday, here we go, let's make some money, guys. So here it is, guys, what I want to see on the DXY. So remember, guys, we can see this DXY created some momentum. Those that know the imbalances, those that know always the imbalance has to be covered at least half of it. So guys, if we come over here, we can see that currently here we have some imbalance that needs to be covered. You get my point? So, and currently here we see that price has not yet covered it. So that's why I'm confident that, guys, we are going to be buying the DXY on Tuesday. Not only Tuesday, even the whole week bias may be a buy. You get my point? So what currently I want to see, at least what I want to see right now, is seeing that the XY, at least, let me show you this. What I want to currently see is at least that the XY, let it move. Get my point? Let it move. Because, guys, I have trusted a lot to this range. I have trusted this range. Sorry, let me just clear all this. Let me just remove this. Let me remove this for you. So, guys, what I currently want to set list, I want to see this, this DXY. At least let it move down. Remember, guys, we only trade the pullbacks. The anonymous traders, we only trade pullbacks. So if they reach into this zone, let's at least receive some flip. You get my point? So after receiving some flip, we should be buying the DXY. You get my point? Where should we be? Let me show you this. Let me show you this. So the DXY, I'll be taking my entries from here. So that's why I tell you always join our Telegram group so that we can keep you updated on anything, guys. You get my point, guys? So this is the DXY. So the DXY, I'll be interested buying from this level after them bouncing from this level, because, guys, this level is a bit strong. And, guys, if you receive an entry for, if you find this price here, guys, trust me, just buy, keep your stop loss tight. And, guys, for me, I don't use stop losses. What I do, if I wake up in the morning and let's say I have $200, I say per trade I'll be risking, let me say, on one position I'll be risking $10. You get my point? On one position. So even if price moves away from my entry, as long as does not yet hit the $10, I won't move out. You get my point? Until they hit the $10. You get my point? Because price might move, may go, but as long as they don't hit that $10, I won't get out of the market. So it's the same applies on the $10 account. Let's say, because I usually tell my people that if we are trading, let us risk $2, let us risk $1. You get my, you let's risk $1. In case, in this what I mean, if price moves, let's say you have opened one position and it goes against you $2, you just close. You get my point? That's how we trade. For us, we don't use stop losses, but we just consider money. How is it moving? If let's say we take our position from here, and so far let's say you have a $10 account, and we say, guys, we are risking $2 or $1 on a trade. Even if price moves away from our entry, as long as they haven't yet went you draw, they haven't yet gone in a drawdown of $2, guys, we don't close until they hit that $2, and we always usually target $10. You get my point? Okay, for it, we shall. I won't say that we target $10. We target our take profit. You get, guys? You get my point? But for the stop loss, we always target $2 to $1 per day. That's how we take our risks. You get my point? So if I give an entry from here and price keeps going, as long as it hasn't hit our $2, we don't exit the market. You get my point? We only exit when they hit our point. You get my point, guys? So here we go, guys. For the DXY, I could like to see that DXY moving down, moving down. So guys, if they reach into this range, guys, just buy, just buy. We shall add more positions from here. We shall be taking our TP at around. Remember, we have to leave some space for the spreads. So we shall be putting our TP at around 10 3.261. You get my point? And our entries, it's not yet, I haven't yet confirmed. But for the entry, you can take your entries at around, let me see, at around 0.12.302. You get my point? For sure, at this range, I see how they have reacted from this range, so I'll be trusting this range, guys. So we shall be taking our buys from here, then we shall add more buys from here, then till we hit our TP on the DXY. So, guys, that has been the DXY. The other people, what I call the dollar. You get my point? Because the DXY is another name for the dollar, and the Euro USD, is it called? Is it called? So, guys, let's proceed to another asset. Let's see. Let's proceed to another asset. Let's try analyzing the Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's see what the Euro USD has for us today. Let's see what's the Euro USD currently holding for us. Let's see. Okay. As we have seen, guys, that the DXY we are looking for buying opportunity. So means on the dollar, sorry, on the Euro USD, we should be looking for what? We should be looking for selling opportunities. You get my point? So, guys, currently I've been looking at the Euro USD. I've been looking for the Euro USD. So currently I've been talking with one of my colleagues, and we have said has told me whenever you see price moving, get my point, guys, it always has a target. Maybe it's coming for the imbalance or it's coming for the liquidity. So, guys, currently what we saw here, the Euro USD just created some liquidity right here, some new liquidity. So what I'm pretty sure, they want to remove this liquidity before they come for this liquidity right here. As you can see, here we have some liquidity that was formed. As you can see, guys, right here, we have some liquidity that has not been yet taken. Hope you can see that, guys. And currently here, guys, we can see right here above, slightly above, they just created some new liquidity. So remember, guys, this market when it's moving, or this asset when it's moving, at least it has to leave some stars that will push it or that will make it go back in that certain range. So this, if this price goes after clearing this liquidity, so give me the reason why should it go back up. You get my point? But if they leave this liquidity right here, this means that it will at least it will pull this market back to clear this liquidity. And guys, remember, this is just a new liquidity. They can't sweep the new liquidity without sweeping the old liquidity first. You get my point? Because the more they torture these new people, they will be leaving these old people to eat. And remember, the market is never your friend. They will never leave you to enjoy like that. You get my point, guys? So for the USD, I think this liquidity won't be taken out. But if it's taken out still, those guys, remember, this is my entry point right here. But still they can make a week, they move it, then they proceed down. You get my point? Because still they can't allow you to move with the big boys, they can't allow you to move with the big banks. You get my point? They will never allow you to move down the big banks. At least they will first remove these people before they proceed, but still they can leave them behind. That's why I tell you always that whenever you are trading, don't base on a stop loss, because your stop losses will always be hit. But just set a target and say, if I have a $10 account, how much should I risk on a $10 account? Let's say you have $10, risk $2 per trade. Just to know that if the trades go against you, let's say 5 days. Get my point? In 5 days, you still have your what? You still have your account. You get my point, guys. In 5 days, when you are risking $2, in the case 5 days go off and you have missed all the days, that means your account is gone. But still, you have managed to be in the financial market for 5 days, guys. A few people manage to be in the financial market more than 5 days, because some people blow their accounts then start trading demos. You get my point? But for me, I always recommend my people not to trade demo accounts, because guys, demo accounts have no future for you. They just damage your brain and they just damage your back account. You get my point? Because the more you trade in the demo account, your account balance won't change. And remember, demo accounts, guys, lie. Truth be told, demo accounts lie, because they will never work on your emotions. Because, guys, the moment you start learning to control your emotions, guys, you'll be able to make money out of the financial market. Let's say how. Let's have given the entry point right here. If they go against some people start panicking. Yet this market has a reason why it has came in, just to come in and sweep this liquidity, then it proceeds down. But here we find someone closing from here. Always have a target, have a game plan that I have a $10 account. How much should I risk on it? Let's say I'm risking $2. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's not bad, guys. So, guys, I'm sorry for taking you into those tasks, but at least have a game plan as a legend. Be a legend. Because, guys, a person who doesn't have a plan, let's say if you give someone who doesn't have a plan for money, that money will just go wasted. You get my point? But if you have a plan, you will be able to make money out of the money that you are given. That's why I always say we shall be finding all the traders that are consistent, because they are past a lot. They know how to manage money. You get my point? So remember, even this industry has no 100% win rate. You get my point? So today you make profits, but tomorrow you make some losses. So guys, I'm even very happy, guys. So last week we are a bit more consistent, guys. Out of which, guys, for us we lose small, but when it comes in winning, guys, we win something big. You get my point? We win something big, of which we win. If we are to lose, we lose something small. You get my point? As I've told you that if I get into the financial market and I say that I'm risking $2 on a trade, you get my point? If they go against me my $2, I chill. But the next time I come back, I'm going to make like $100. You get my point? So we do what? If we are to lose, we lose something small. But if we get in winning, guys. Trust me, we win something big. That's why we are very able even to make those giveaways, guys. You get my point? All CPI, even CPI managed to give us some big heavy flips. You get my point? So that's why at times we are able even to make profits. But guys, as long as you learn the skill, you won't even be caring. Even if you lose money, you won't care, because you know next time you flip even more. Because guys, I've been in this financial market for a long period of time. So what I'm telling you out of experience, because I've faced a lot of challenges before I learned anything. So guys, sorry for taking you through those stuff, but this is for the Euro USD. And guys, make sure that you join our Telegram group so that we can keep you updated on each and everything, guys. So currently, what you are seeing, the Euro USD. Let's see, where shall we be taking our trades from. Let me first remove this. Let me see if I look into this area. Let me see, 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 let me see. Okay, the Euro USD. Sorry for this. Sorry. Okay, the Euro USD has some liquidity right here. I can see. Okay, sorry. What's this? Let me first remove this. Okay, let me see this area. This area right here. Okay, it won't be bad. Let me first remove this, because guys, I'm basing on the liquidity. Let me first remove this nigga right here, this guy right here. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me first remove these arrows. They are not of any use. Let me first see. Okay, here guys, basically you can see, guys, right here you can see that the Euro USD has some liquidity that needs to be swept off. You get my point? You see this liquidity right here. You see this liquidity that is being formed right here. You know the price at least has to go after sweeping this price. What I'm expecting to see, I'm expecting, if I draw my trend line right here, if I draw my trend line right here, as you can see, if I draw my trend line right here, because remember price won't move like this, at least has to be 60, something like 60 degrees. You get my point? Is it 60? Is it 20? At least the trend line has to be in at around 60 degrees. You get my point? At around 60 degrees. So after getting to know that that's the what? That's the 60 degrees. Yeah. Now let's see how we shall be predicting the. Let's see if this price keeps moving. Remember here we are creating some liquidity. If they keep moving, let them move. Let them move. Let them move. Let them sweep their liquidity. After sweeping their liquidity, let them move. Let's wait for a pullback. Then let's take our trades. TP1, TP2. That's my point, guys. So no stress, guys. Make sure that, guys, you join our Telegram group so that we can keep you updated on each and everything. So if you're not in our Telegram group, guys, it's up to you. So you have to be in our Telegram group so that we can keep you updated on anything. Because, guys, we can even receive an entry. We can receive even an entry after here. So if you are in our Telegram group, we can be updating you on that entry. So that's it for the USD. For the USD, I'm more interested in this area right here after sweeping this liquidity. and I want to take this setup around in this liquidity. Get my point? Looking into this liquidity, I want to be the liquidity right on this what on this trade. I'll be the liquidity. Get my point? So I'll be taking my setup right here from the liquidity at around 1.0996, and I'll be putting my TP at around 1.07749. You got my point, guys? I think, guys, you have learned something from this session, guys. Make sure that, guys, you take care. And by the way, guys, we saw some people copying our name, and those guys are providing investment stuffs. Guys, anonymous traders, we don't provide investment stuffs. We shall never tell you that invest the $400 that you get 20 in after 2 days. Guys, can you imagine who can make 20? Guys, just stay sharp, guys. Just stay sharp, guys. Stay away from those people that are more interested in your money. Get my point, guys. Because what I'm pretty sure, guys, most of the students are the one that help the mentors to survive. Get my point. So as long as I'll be talking a lot of much about those stuffs, guys. So that's it, guys, for today. And by the way, guys, today's question, guys, those that will be participating in the giveaway, guys, just tell me the nickname of the Euro USD. You get my point, guys. So, guys, I think that's for today, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. God bless you.